Now let's look at business process instances and control tower. What does control tower tell us about a business process? Each business process consists of a list of business steps initially collapsed, a link to the business process design, a current process status that is one of draft or under development, running or paused, completed or with errors, a workspace indicator where manual business processes tasks are executed, an environment sign indicating whether the instance is executing in the sandbox or in production, and progress bar displaying the progress of business process instance execution. To expand the list of process instance steps, click the arrow icon. This option is available for all instances except those in draft status. Then, each process step will be displayed with its status and progress. To access the business process structure, click the link to Design. You will see completion as a ratio of the total number of elements, records or documents to process, and the total already processed. The process results. A page containing complete information about the business process instance's execution, including summary. Summarize statistics about the execution of the business process instance and each individual process step. Workers. Information about workers who performed manual tasks, if any. Analytics. Charted information showing the process execution over time. Data. A complete set of data collected over the execution of all the records or documents. Data export. An export function to move all of the process instance execution data to an external file.